Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this is based on my personal experience with VeeFriends. VeeFriends is a truly unique project. Located at VeeFriends.com, it's more than just a collection of digital collectibles. It's a vibrant ecosystem built around meaningful intellectual property and a thriving community. When you explore VeeFriends, you're not just buying JPEGs, you're investing in a long-term vision spearheaded by Gary Vaynerchuk. This vision centers around tangible utility, community engagement, and access to exclusive experiences. The core of VeeFriends revolves around its characters, each imbued with a specific attribute that resonates with Gary's philosophy on life and business. These characters aren't just static images, they represent core values like patience, kindness, gratitude, and resilience. Owning a VeeFriend often grants access to various events and experiences, both virtual and in person, further connecting holders with the project and each other. These events, often called VeeCon, offer networking opportunities, educational sessions, and entertainment. They're a significant part of what makes the VeeFriends community so special. Beyond VeeCon, the VeeFriends universe is constantly expanding. The project is constantly exploring new ways to engage its community and provide value to its holders. This includes partnerships with other brands, the development of new intellectual property, and a focus on creating a sustainable and evolving ecosystem. It's this dynamic nature that sets VeeFriends apart from many other NFT projects. It's a constantly evolving platform with a clear focus on long-term growth and community building. By visiting VeeFriends.com, you can explore the full breadth of the project and discover what makes it so compelling.